Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to add players to your market watch list. First of all, open up your SC Mobile game on your device and log into your account if required. From the main menu, navigate to the Club button at the bottom right corner. Inside Club, click on Players, and once you're inside the Players tab, select a player you want to add to your market watch list. Once you do that, after you see this pop up, click on Details. Now, click on this little blue button on the left hand side and click on the little star button to add the player to your market watch list. So right after you do that, you will be able to add the player to your market watch list. Now, if you want to find the player on your watch list, go back to the Club menu and click on Market on the right corner. From the Market menu, go to My Watch List at the top, and you'll be able to see the player added to your watch list. Now you know how you can add a player to your watch list and use that edge in the market. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.